Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is Aisha Qureshi, and welcome to my channel Immersive English. This video will be the continuation of commonly confused words. If you still have not watched it, take a peek at it before you delve into the second part. The link has been provided in the description box. Dear viewers, as I mentioned in my previous video, you need to choose the correct word according to its meaning and spellings. This will not only enhance your written text, but it will set a good impression on your readers. Using the words correctly will help the readers to establish the correct meaning. I will explain some commonly confused words, so stay tuned. The first pair of commonly confused words is lose, L O S E, and lose, L O O S E. Lose, L O S E, is a verb, an action word, and it represents an action taking place in a sentence, such as, did you lose your money yesterday? Or maybe, on losing any game, you might say, I don't want to lose the match. You must have noticed that the word lose, L O S E, is being used as an action word in both of the sentences. The other lose, L O O S E, is an adjective, means not tight or giving enough room. Let me share an example with you. This shirt is too loose. Or she likes to wear loose shirt. Dear students, loose, L O O S E, is describing kind of shirt she wears. It is an adjective. Next pair has appeared on your screens. That is desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, and dessert, D-E-S-S-E-R-T. Both of these words are nouns, but they have entirely different meanings. Now, desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, which is actually a noun, means a dry, sandy, barren land. Let's use it in a sentence. The Sahara is a vast desert. The other word, dessert, D-E-S-S-E-R-T, means a sweet course served at the end of a meal. The sentence could be, the chef served delicious apple tarts as a dessert. I hope I have made myself clear. Let me present you a trio of commonly confused words. Quite, Q-U-I-T-E, quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, and quit, Q-U-I-T. Although they sound little different, but they confuse many people. Let's have a look at them one by one. Quite, Q-U-I-T-E, is an adverb, means truly, really. Look at this sentence. She was quite unwell yesterday, means she was really unwell. Quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, is an adjective, means silent. Since quiet is an adjective, it can be changed into comparative degree quieter and superlative degree the quietest. Let's use it in a sentence. The teacher asked the children to be quiet. I hope you understood it. The third word is quit, Q-U-I-T. It's a verb which means to stop or to end. Let me use it in a sentence. I'll quit once my project is done. I hope you have understood it. Let's understand another pair of commonly confused words. That pair is Y-O-U-R, your, and Y-O-U apostrophe R-E is also your. Your without apostrophe Y-O-U-R is a pronoun, a form of you that shows possession. Let's use it in a sentence. Your writing is beautiful. The other word is your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. It has an apostrophe which is contracting U and R. If we remove contraction, it will be you are. Let's use it in a sentence. You're going to receive a medal. I hope you have fully comprehended the concept. The next on the list is its, I-T-S, and its, I-T apostrophe S. Although both of these words look different but sounds alike, and that causes us to use them incorrectly. Its without an apostrophe its is a pronoun, a form of it that shows possession. Let's use it in a sentence. The bird flapped its wings and flew away. Here, it's being used as a pronoun for bird. Now the other one, it apostrophe s, is also its, but it has an apostrophe. Its is basically a contraction, means its full form is it is. Let's use it in a sentence. It's my pleasure to host you. It could be, it is my pleasure to host you. After contracting it and is, it becomes, it's my pleasure to host you. Dear viewers, I hope you have understood the meanings and usage of these commonly confused words. As a food for thought, I would like to share a few strategies with you to use these commonly confused words like a pro. Keep a dictionary closer to you. Whenever you are uncertain of the meanings of any words, please use it. Make a list of words you commonly confuse. So, whenever you need to use these words, confirm their meanings and usage. Please share your comments and feedback with me. I always say that practice makes a man perfect. So keep practicing, keep working hard. With commitment, dedication, and perseverance, there is nothing you can't achieve. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.